Hey guys, I'm back. Everything's sent off to get race balanced, and I should get this back. Should get it back Friday. And so I was doing a little bit of prepping on the case. This is something that I don't think I've heard anybody say to do this, but I started tapping, just cleaning out the threads on the case. And as I was doing that, I found out the reason why I did not have a thermostat on it is because the pulley bolt was broken off inside the case. So I'll have to tap that out, drill and extract that broken bolt. But I was going through and tapping, cleaning out the threads on, especially on the cylinder head bolts, and I was just amazed at how much shavings were coming out through the inside the case. So I honestly believe if you don't do this and you start assembling this thing, you start threading your cylinder head bolts into the case. I honestly believe that some of those shavings are going to be lodged inside your closed engine. So I would definitely suggest buy yourself a good set of metric taps and go through all of your threaded locations on your case and just clean them out. I'd hate to see. I'm glad that I didn't start assembling this engine and then go to put on that stupid little pulley bolt and it not go in. So I'm glad that I decided to go ahead and do this now. And I wanted to also show you how much shavings are underneath the case. So let's check it out. This cylinder, and I'm working my way around this cylinder, and just going in, and it gets pretty tight. Okay, it's loosening up now. But that's 40 years of sealant that's caked inside the threads. And I went ahead and cleaned out all my all the locations for my tin. So that'll be a lot easier once I start putting those in. Cutting oil makes it a lot easier, it seems. once I get all of these finished, I'll go ahead and throw these halves in the ultrasonic cleaner and cover them. Get ready to put this thing together. Now, I've already done this side, but I wanted to show you how much came out. And I know that's cleaning the threads out, and it's not the same as putting the bolt in, but I know that some of that, as you put the bolt in, is going to go through. So just a precaution. I think it's worth taking a look at. And this is the stupid bolt that is broken off inside the case. So I'll drill and extract that bolt and retap that one. I went ahead and did the the oil pump, and these that's an oil galley plug that I'm going to thread in, and I'm going to go ahead and do my pickup bolt. I'll get the thing open. Hey. There's the oil pickup, and I'll take that all the way down to its stop, back it out. It's just going to make life so much easier. Still got a lot of crap out of it. So that's about it. I just want to share that with you guys. So hopefully next week I start putting this thing back together, and I'll bring you guys along for the ride. So until then, take care, and I'll talk at you later. Bye.